Reading is fun. Where was Haldi going? Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? How did she reach school? Let's talk. Let us talk. How do you go to school? What do you wear to school? Have you ever seen anything strange on your way to school? Talk about it. Talk about it. Say aloud. Pedal, saddle, cradle, down, clown, sound, round, school, pull, rule, cool, tool. Let's color. Let us color. Find the shapes and color them. The paddling pool. Down by the river, on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water cool, and we stay to play by the paddling pool, down by the river, on the way to school. Anne Berry.